Okay, so this is where I am. I removed all this, removed the console, put it aside, and I was about to remove this, and looking at the videos, the 2016 to 2020, the infotainment does not have this black bar here, and it only shows that you have two screws, one over there, it's over there, and one on the other side. So I removed those screws, and as soon as I was removing it, the screw fell off over here in a hole somewhere right below. And I even removed this other one here, because look what happened. This whole thing here is loose, but it doesn't come off. It's something is impeding from coming, or there's another screw underneath here. I can't tell, but right now I even removed two screws, one from here, one from here. The other one is still here, to see if that would loosen up and this would come up, and somehow this would go. So I need to reach the back of it so I can install your cable, your harness for the video in motion. I'm assuming that's behind this unit here. So I am stuck because this thing does not want to come out. I don't know if there's any other screw here that needs to come out. I can't see any. There's some screw over there, but that's looks like it's part of the console. If I need to take this whole thing out, but I don't have the instructions, the manual. So that's what I am. I'm gonna try to put this together, but this is gonna be without any real stabilized, because I don't have the new screws over there. So I need to, maybe I need to remove the whole thing to get underneath to see where the screw went. Maybe it's behind, underneath here. I can't feel anything moving. Do I need to remove this whole thing here? I'm not sure.